welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make simmered shrimp-shaped taro potato with chicken mince. Ebi-Imo is shrimp-shaped taro potatoes. It's called shrimp because the pattern of the potatoes is like shrimp. You can of course use regular taro potatoes or regular potato or radish. It's up to you. It is really delicious, goes perfect with white rice. It's perfect for bento box. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Peel and cut Ebi-Imo in bite-sized chunks. Be careful when you cut because it's slimy and slippery. Parboil for a minute in salted water to remove bitter taste. You'd better do this when you use regular potato or radish as well. Rinse to remove the slimy texture. Now heat cooking oil in a pot. Cook minced chicken until no longer pink. Add the potatoes and dashi broth. You can use any soup stock as well. Then bring to a boil. Remove the foam, it improves the taste. Then add the seasonings. Cook until the potatoes are soft. When the potatoes are soft, stop the heat. Usually it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Dilute the starch with water, add into the pot, then heat again until thick. Add green peas. If you don't like green peas, you can skip it or you can add different vegetable, of course. Serve in a dish and now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
今日はエビ芋のそぼろ煮を作りました。おいしいよ。ムキムキだ。お肉ね、すいません、ちょっとお待ちください。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。もしかしてこれ YouTube に参加するんですか？
そうです。